Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to lose belly fat in 3 days, no diet. So we are going to be needing some ginger, lemon, pineapple peel, cinnamon stick, black pepper and some natural spring water. So we are going to be adding our pineapple peel to the pot. It's well washed, very clean. You have to wash your pineapple very well before peeling. Also with your lemon, because we are using both the peel and the pineapple and the lemon, so you have to wash it very well. Okay guys, then we are going to add our ginger, black pepper, cinnamon stick and some water. Then we are going to allow this to boil for 30 minutes. After boiling for 30 minutes, we are going to drain it into, we are going to drain the juice and store in a bottle jar. Guys, you have to try this recipe, okay? It's very good. You can drink this on an empty stomach before breakfast and also before bedtime at night to digest your food easily. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's free. Subscription is free. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye.